Welcome to the NEWSTART kitchen. My name is Rodolfo, and today I'm going to show you an alternative for your breakfast using potatoes. And this is a very healthy recipe because we're not going to use any oil. I'll just put it together. You just need to chop some potatoes, chop some onion, and also tomato. And we're just going to do something like this. We'll start with the tomato. You go to the base of your pan. You work around, then a little bit of onion, and then a layer of potatoes. Just like this. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just want to layer everything. Then we repeat the same process. More tomato. Put some onions there. And then you do it again with your potatoes. You want to make sure that when you slice your potatoes, they're about the same thickness. You can see that right there. That'll help them to cook evenly. More onion. And then your tomato. Now the reason this works is because we're gonna cook them using very slow heat. So the moisture from the tomatoes is actually the liquid that is going to help everything combine and cook. Like that. I'm going to use all of the potatoes here. There we are. Then we're going to add some non-dairy cheese. This is going to add more moisture. And to season, we're going to combine about a third cup of water with garlic salt, just like that. We'll go like this. That's about it. Remember, you want to go very slow with this one. We're gonna let it cook, and then we're gonna show you how it looks when it's done. Well, we're back, and look at this. This is what we were aiming for. It smells amazing. You can see that cheese melting on top. The potatoes are ready. You can serve this for breakfast, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna start your day with a very good taste in your mouth. So, enjoy.